Good afternoon, traders. Welcome to NinjaTrader Live. I'm Tracy Shuchart, Senior Economist, and here's what happened while we were away. First, I wanted to clear up something. There seemed to be a lot of confusion on the headlines while we were on air around 12:38 or so. So regarding the news earlier, an Apache helicopter was down by a drone attack overnight. It was reported overnight. The military said they were investigating. Then at about 12:38, Trump posted on Truth Social, "I have just been informed by our great military last night that the Iranians shot down one of our highly sophisticated Apache helicopters while patrolling over the Strait of Hormuz. 2 pilots were involved. They are both safe and uninjured. Nevertheless, the United States must of necessity respond to this attack. Thank you for your attention to this matter." We saw the S&P and NASDAQ take that one last kind of a washout. And then at about 1:03, right as we were getting out of air, Axios came out and said that the senior U.S. official said that the investigation has not yet determined whether the strike was intentional or not, and the matter is still under review. And we have been bouncing ever since then. Then there was an article in the New York Times that says the U.S.-Iran zero in on 4 nuclear issues in talks. The U.S. believes Iran to settle on a 15-year enrichment suspension. So more good news right after that, at least for markets. Moving on to the 3-year auction. Well, it was rather unremarkable. The Treasury market caught a little bit of a bid during today's risk aversion episode. In the grand scheme of things, it was pretty underwhelming. The 3-year auction tailed a little under a half a basis point from when issued, stopping at 4.192%. Demand stats also generally unremarkable. Bid to cover 2.64, slightly above the 1-year average. Indirects took 63.7%, direct 21%, and dealers 15.3%. Anthropic is going to release Mythos, but this version will be blocked from carrying out cybersecurity tasks months after we've been going back and forth about releasing Mythos because they were saying that that model could spot and exploit vulnerabilities in critical software. So the new model, called Fable 5, is set to be rolled out today with guardrails that prevent it from responding to certain types of queries, including those related to cybersecurity and biology. We have Chris Wright was on the wires saying that the oil traffic has risen and will continue to expand in the Strait of Hormuz. He said, "I would say it's rising meaningfully." He was talking on CNBC during this. I would just like to mention that PortWatch recorded the 7-day moving average of just 5 ship arrivals as of Sunday. That's down from more than 120 before the U.S. and Israel struck Iran in February, and down from the about 20 a day the day they decided that they were going to open the strait. Just saying, I got a little upset on X and kind of called them out on that a little bit. Moving on, we've got SpaceX mania. SpaceX public offering has attracted even more demand for institutional investors since yesterday. Banks have indicated that the allocations to the institutional portion of the offering will be concentrated to long-only funds, which is funny because there was an article out earlier today that said that some long-short funds were planning on buying and selling immediately. So IPO is set to price June 11th and trade on Friday, with the company offering 555.6 million shares. Believe it or not, under the hood today, breadth is not at all bad. S&P 100 has more than 300 stocks in the green of the 503 in the index. It's just the weighting of the tech sector and the drastic sell-off in the tech sector was weighing on that index. And with that, I will hand it off to Jim for an Edge report.
All right. Thank you, Tracy. Let's take a look at the E-mini S&P 10-minute chart up here on the screen. I have this thing marked from RTH forward because everything kind of flatlined before that, and this is where all the action happened. I have a purple volume profile on the left in honor of Salma's background, and we have a lot of volume, high volume nodes in this thing. It's not really helpful other than what's going on right around these high volume nodes. There's a lot of low volume nodes also. So the distribution is really wonky. It's not Gaussian by any means. There's all sorts of competing points of control all over the map. Now, interestingly, having said all that, the official point of control of the session, I'm going to put my crosshairs right there. You can't see where we started on the left-hand side of the screen, is right there. It's 73.37. So we're just a little bit north of that. I find that interesting. That white line is session VWAP, and that blue line is the 20-day EMA. And the yellow line, which is converging right now, is the 9 simple moving average. Sorry. So everything is kind of slowing their roll, kind of going sideways here. Now we're up against a bunch of areas of interest. We have that JAX 2 level at 60. We have previous sessions highs right below that. We have that S1 right below that at 53. We have that Mentor Q 1-day min. We're right above it a little bit, and then a blind spot by Mentor Q also right in between. So we're kind of sandwiched between all of these kind of areas of interest right now. We retraced nicely back up. Remember what I said at the late morning edge reports, like, may or may not happen. We got a little of it. We certainly got a little of it. We got plus 38.1% of it back, right? We kind of hit that milestone right now. So this is a tricky part. It's like, all right, are we done? Is the retracement textbook? Is it time to get short again? Or not? I don't know the answer to that. Well, I'm going to wait and see what happens with this VWAP, because this VWAP is positioned right at 73.70, a little bit less than that, 73.69, we'll call it, in a quarter. So we'll see if we can get a VWAP touch. Now, the last time we even got close to volume weighted average price for the session was all the way back here at 10 to 1020 candles. So it was a long time ago. So I'm going to follow the guides. I'm going to follow these peaks. These are going to be my guides through the rest of the afternoon, and we'll see how that plays out. Really quickly here, we're just going to toggle over to gold, and we're going to talk about that. It's similar but different. Let's pop it up here. We have same thing. I have that purple volume profile here. It's anchored actually to the regular trading hours. Let's let the data percolate a little bit. But we have a wicked high volume area right where we're at, just south of previous session's highs. Look how many times we tried to get above that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Couldn't do it. We still can't do it. Now, maybe we'll get a burst to the upside. I don't know what's different, why that would happen. But should we do that, we do have targets. We have put support at 4,300. We have that 1-day min, 4,305. And then we have this other high volume node as well at 43.19. This volume node is so big, it's off my screen, by the way. So it could be a case of price happiness sideways action for the rest of the day. S1 framed the bottom of the conversation. We never got any lower than S1. I'm leaning bearish right now, but who's to say? In any event, that's the story of gold right now. We'll see what happens. We're in the midst of the Arena Cup, so I'm going to pull over the leaderboard here really quickly here. We'll just take a peek before we get to the main event here and see what we got. We got Dainty PS in first place, $10,698. Pukloloko, I'm sure I said that wrong, is in second place. The SJD Rising rocket scooter has been in third or first, second, third, or fourth most of the day. RS Brian B-Dog is also over 10,000. In Ecuador, I know I said that wrong too, is in fifth place. Featured traders, we have Nick4ATick and Nick Does Futures neck and neck. After that, Sarah the Strat Sniper is third. Selma's third. We're going to see Selma in a minute. Carmine and Jack. Lisa's green again. Jack had a hard time a little while ago, but he came way back. So having said all that, that's where we're at with, hopefully, if you guys are participating, anyone listening to me in the Arena Cup, good luck today to everybody. Let's go ahead and trade the close. Oh, man.
Hey.
Hey guys,
What's
What's
up?
up?
How we
how's
doing?
it going?
Oh man.
We got Joey with us. We got Nick4ATick, who he actually made a big comeback too. He was down four figures for a while earlier this morning. I saw that. And then another Nick. We got the other Nick. Nick does futures, also with us. He's from South Carolina, moving to Florida, so he's a good old Southern boy like me. And then Salma, not we're saving the best for last, is with us again in the afternoon session. She is working hard today. How you guys doing?
Good,
Good, good,
Jim.
Jim. How are you?
Doing well,
Pretty good.
Jim. Doing well.
Pretty good. This has been just a great trading day across all the different asset classes. It's just been,
Yeah.
you don't get this all the time. And when you do get it, it's like, holy cats, this is fantastic. So hopefully everybody's doing well. $1 million question is this retracement over in the stock index futures? I'll start with you, Joey. What do you think?
I'm leaning a little more bearish now that we've seen this retracement. We're on the NASDAQ here. We're sitting right at the 100% essential level on the IB, kind of consolidating it, rejecting it as well. So I am actually short the NAS at 822, waiting to see if we get a little bit of move down. I have a widened stocked right now. Our ATR on the 5 minutes, 111 points. So widened stopped, size down, waiting to see what happens here on this short if I can get this thing to move down. Market's been ruthless, Jim. It's been
It,
ruthless.
it has been. Selma, what are you thinking?
Dude, I'm with Joey here. Short the ES, GC, and the Russell. Not touching NQ at all. Competition or no competition. Not touching her. But yeah, I definitely see us at a point here where we should be rejecting. I'm not really too convinced by this push. Could be wrong. We'll see in the coming minutes. I think this is a definitely a pivotal level here. It's definitely risky to do both, go short or go long here. And the reason for that is because if you're in a position like me and Joey, you gotta have those wider stops simply because the ranges are just too large today. So unless you have like sniped a really good entry, you gotta have a wide stop. But yeah, I'm definitely favoring downside here more so than upside. And I think we'll get some type of movement within the next half hour, hopefully.
Yeah, and on that point, it's a great point, Selma, with the ranges today. And for folks that are not trading in the challenge, trading their live accounts, micros are your friends. A lot of meat
Hmm.
on the bone in micros,
Oh
and
yeah.
maybe you could position a little bit better. So, all right, let's go. Keep rolling here. Let's go with Nick does futures. Nick, what are you thinking?
What's going on? Yeah, I don't. I think it's in kind of like a 50-50 spot here. Could go lower, could go higher. Um, if I were to if I were to pick, I'm probably long because I probably long the market because I am. So I just think these drop downs in like a super bullish market, they're not very sustainable. I mean, if we look at like the daily chart, right? Um, to go back a couple months, really, it's always followed by like a big push up. So it's hard for me to believe that we're going to continue pushing lower. I mean, for today, maybe, but I'm anticipating some sort of bounce around in here, which is kind of what we got. We hit this weekly level, so it could play ping pong in this area because we have a bullish level on the weekly and a bearish level on the daily. So, and considering the fact that we had such a big move down the first 2 or 3 hours, I'm kind of leaning that it's just going to chop around in here a little bit if I were to pick. This is a huge move. I mean, this is. I mean, let's just talk about NQ. I mean, this is 1,500 points.
Yeah,
So, I mean, it makes sense for the PM
yeah,
session to just sort of consolidate a little bit.
yeah. Wait, we can go sideways. I've seen stranger things happen in my career, but I don't know, maybe not. Nick for a tick, first place on the featured traders leaderboard. What are you thinking, man?
Not a lot. This is the spot on NQ. I could see us absolutely reoffering. If we're actually getting continuation lower, we're sitting on the week open currently here at the 850s ish area. I am currently short the SPOOs and the Russell, and I just got in NQ as well right here at the week open. But there's a lot of indecision right here. I'm kind of in the camp that it's a bit of a coin flip. It makes sense that we might reoffer here, but I don't know. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, Nick and Nick are neck and neck right now, number one and two on the featured leaderboard. So we'll. I got to give credit where credit is due. That Kevin came up with that clever line. I can't take credit for that, but it's a really good one. Any event, we'll see if Selma could catch up and even Joey could catch up. Still a lot of trading to do. So having said all that, I'm going to dip into the chat. Greatly appreciate you guys doing this, spending time with us today, doing your thing, and I'll catch you at the end of the session.
Sounds good, Jim.
Good luck, guys.
Thank you.
See you, Jim.
Thanks.
Hola.
I hate this.
Yeah. This is annoying.
Joey, you done much fishing?
Yo, man,
It's been
no.
a while since we talked.
Yeah, it has been. No, it's I haven't, unfortunately. I've been traveling a lot lately. I've been in
Good.
Florida. Just got back, like last week. And now I'm about to head out to Vegas, so I haven't even been home, to be honest. But when I get back from Vegas, I will be trying to go out and fish as much as possible, man.
Yeah, good stuff. I heard House of Dynamite was a pretty good movie, guys. I heard Merritt was kind of tweaking about that earlier. He did not like the ending of that movie. I thought it was pretty good, but
I haven't seen it yet. I haven't seen it.
oh, you haven't? Okay,
No.
Yeah, so it's solid. Let's see. So I guess whoever loses between me and Nick is gonna be called like Walmart Nick.
Uh-oh.
Okay, I'm down. Like I got a lot of work to do. I gotta find
He's
out.
not listening.
I need to
What's
find-
happening?
Oh no, I was just making a joke. Whoever loses between me and you is gonna be called like Walmart Nick or something like that.
Oh, I said the other Nick just is off the network. If whoever wins, like it's just it's basically a trial by combat of streamers. Sorry, I'm also managing positions in my personal account today.
Yeah, I'm in a short in my personal right now.
I was oversized earlier and trying to manage this, and I'm like, all right, I need to kill it on the cash account the rest of the day, and of course I didn't.
I think that's what Jack did too. He just left his position on and he kind of went and focused on his main port. And then now all of a sudden, because we pushed, he was down like $3,000 at one point, and now he's back up to 2,100 off this pump. He's making a comeback.
I really don't love Salma. How do you trade the Russell every day? Because I hate this thing.
Why? It's so clean. It's just I hate the fact that we are forced to trade a mini and everything else is a micro. That's the only thing I hate. I don't trade minis. So for me, anytime I'm in the Russell today, I'm like, nerves. Nick does futures. I heard off the open, you held longs on the Russell.
And I
You were on a
shorted.
phone call. Thanks for
me and
calling us.
T was back there scheming it up for me, but it was pretty fun. It was kind of weird because I did not know until he told me that you could have a mini on Russell and then micros on. I was like, what? Because I got the email last night. I was like, I just kind of read over. I was like, okay, same as last week, but just less contracts. I didn't even see that it said it had a mini for Russell. So shout out to T. But no, it was a good setup. Got the move up and then pretty much top tick the high a day. So that was that was a lot of fun. That's why I made the majority of my profit. So it was a lot of fun. It's a good day to have a competition. I'll tell you that.
Yeah.
I mean, I did not. Usually the day before CPI, we can kind of see some consolidation, but not today. Holy cow. That was a lot of, I didn't see it coming.
Jeez, I shouldn't have traded again. I should have just chilled out.
At one point on the 5-minute time frame, we had 138 point, I think is what it was, ATR.
Yeah, it's ridiculous.
On the 5-minute. That's insane.
Yeah. It reminds me of last year during the tariffs. The craziest thing I ever seen was like a 289-point 1-minute candle on NQ. I'm like, holy, it was, you can't even, some people can't even afford to trade it,
Yeah, it's just, it's ruthless. Absolutely ruthless.
Let's see.
NASDAQ is just really trying to hold its bid here.
I hate this. All right, whatever. I'm out. Gonna get out of these. Take my L's here.
Got stopped.
Yeah,
I was
minimize the losses.
I got stopped out of a rusty long at 2,800 after it already made the low at 2790s or 2792, whatever it was, and it just was consolidating down there, and like you can see it here.
Yeah, it kind of goes back to
out
what
there.
I mean. I feel like if we would have had a bullish pop, like the day would have been, we would have just continued higher. But since we're, obviously still in a bullish market, it's these moves are just so sharp and sudden, and they just pop right back up, kind of like on Friday. Like that was well, you guys have any highlights from Friday's trading day? That was kind of insane.
Dude,
I
I locked myself out at like 10 a.m.
really.
I thought, oh, I made good money. Let me just lock myself out. It's a Friday. Go enjoy my day. I lock out and I just had to sit there and watch everybody trading on this crazy day. And for me, like I love trend days to the downside. I'm a better short trader than I am a long trader. And
Yeah,
I was in disbelief, dude. I was like, no freaking way. One
that,
time I'm trying to be responsible.
that was kind of me too. Like I had a 12 p.m. 11 o'clock tea time. I'm like, dang, this is kind of a crazy move down. And then we get like at the turn, like the back nine. I'm like, holy cow, we're down like X amount of points. It was wild. Same thing happened to me. It's like one of those photos on Twitter, where you take a nice 1 to 2 risk to reward, and then you see it's like 1,000 points below where you took profit. Like you could have made so much more. But it was crazy day with Tuesday and Friday. That's kind of wild days back to back, almost back to back.
NASDAQ getting back above 900s, back above the 100% essential level on the IB, which I don't love.
Yeah.
I struggle in days like today, like these big trending days. They've always been tough for me.
They're tough for me if I don't get the initial entry. Like if I don't get if I'm just like 5 minutes, 10 minutes late, it can be a bad day for me because I start getting a little bit of FOMO.
You see, but it's good though that you know like where your struggles are and like where your strengths are.
Yeah, no, 100%.
100%.
That's why I'm pretty strict on my cutoff times. Like I told you about Friday when I like got off with tea time. I always try to plan stuff around the times I want to be done trading. So that's what I did, but it definitely does suck. Because I know if I go like longer than that and I keep trading like the whole day, I'm just gonna give back money, So it's just you have to know your strengths and weaknesses as a trader. And that's
For
just
sure.
I have a lot of them. So let's see.
Maybe I need to set a tea time and I don't even golf.
Should start golfing.
I think I'm gonna pick up golf.
Golf and trading are so alike. Oh my gosh. Wasn't until I got into trading, I was like, holy cow. Like I actually got better as a golfer when I got into trading because I was like, it's if you have a bad day trading, right? It doesn't matter because the next trade, the next day matters more, especially if you manage risk. But before, like I would like have like bad holes golf and get double bogey, and like that'd be the end of the round pretty much. So yeah.
Listen, I can, if it's driving, I can drive it and I can putt. Anything in between, just forget about it.
I'm the worst putter ever. It could be right next to the hole and I just can't do it. Tell me to drive the ball though. I can get that done for sure.
Did you and what's her name get out and play? Yeah or not?
Oh no. I haven't seen Tanja. I mean, besides when we went to Miami, I haven't seen her since December.
Okay.
But like we have talked about, going into the
Go out and
city
play.
and yeah, just go to the range at least for a day.
100%.
Yeah.
Which Nick? Hey, good poll in the chat here. Which Nick is going to take the crown? Y'all go vote on it.
There you go.
That was good.
Oh, wrong button.
So chat.
Ugh, I hesitated on the Russell Long there. Damn.
Got to smack
Okay.
it, Salma. You just gotta.
I
gotta
know. I was trying to play it. I was trying to play it smart, but apparently not smart enough.
Were you on with Carmine this morning? Or no.
Yeah.
Oh, I don't know if he was on with you or T. Were you on with T or not?
No, we got off and then T got on.
Gotcha.
We were like all locked in the morning. Nobody was talking. Chat was like, "Why are you guys so quiet? Everybody's so serious." It's like, dude, we're going through like,
We're
you know,
trading. Like,
the first 30 minutes was all upside, and then the next, hour and a half was all downside. We were just like stuck in this insane range,
Yeah,
or
the
not
opening.
range, but like all these movements, and everybody's like, "Why are you guys so quiet?" Because we're in disbelief. That is
we're
why.
doing our job, bro.
Yeah.
Also, it's hard to focus on chat when the market's moving the way it is.
Bro, this morning was insane. It was actually really, really crazy.
Yeah, like me and T went a call. He was like, we should just probably just like long Russell, like right open. I was like, okay, sure. You know what I mean? Because I use the web platform for this competition, so it logged me in right at 9:30 because I couldn't get access before. So like 9:31, found a nice setup and went long there. But
Nice.
yeah, it was so crazy that like our voice call was like literally like two kids and like a crypto meme coin. Like it was absolutely nuts. Like we were like sitting there hollering and stuff on some of the positions. It was stupid, bro. Oh, micros are your friend, especially on a day like today. Yep.
100%. Gotta trade micros today.
I don't understand the hate on micros, especially for people that are trying to like. I mean, I wouldn't even say grow a small account, but just for taking partials, right? I mean, if you take one mini, I'd much rather take 10 micros. That way you can just kind of depending on your strategy.
Yeah.
It's crazy. The top 5 in the real competition are all within like $1,000.
Yeah, I need to get the
Like that's a big swing. Because whatever, up to 10th you get $5,000, but still top 3 get 20 to 100,000. So the one mistake of a trade. Anybody in the chat actually competing?
I mean, do we go to VWAP on NAS here? 103?
Which view up?
I have a 29,103.
Oh, the overnight.
Yeah.
I mean, who knows? Probably. It's another one of these like retracements where it's like structurally it makes sense to reoffer at certain spots, but market doesn't give an F.
It really doesn't.
Does not give a duck.
NASDAQ just constantly trying to hold this bid here.
I mean, they all are rusty, everything.
Yeah.
Damn.
I mean, what's this mean for CPI tomorrow? I mean, what's the objective? I don't know. Like, see, my thing is, if I'm looking at this daily chart, I feel like we're gonna go like maybe today's like low of the week. That's kind of what I'm thinking here because this is like a weekly level and we're reacting away from it. So I will say the news lately, like CPI, NFP, FOMC, they haven't been as crazy. Like right at
Yeah.
It's been less volatile for sure.
Agree with you there.
Doesn't move very. Salma, how long you been trading?
I started off trading options. It's been 6 years this June.
Oh,
And
wow.
then I didn't come over to futures until last year tariffs. So
Last
technically
year,
one
there.
full year. Yeah. I made the
Wow.
switch. I made the switch from day trading options to day trading futures. And now I just do like options. I'd say more so long term, like,
Uh-huh.
anything 3 months plus out. Don't look at anything short term for options. And then this is basically what I do on my day to day. What about you?
Yeah, so I've been in futures for about wow, actually this September will be 5 years. That's crazy. So yeah, 5 years in that.
Is
Before
that
that,
all you've done?
no, I used to swing trade. Like I do small caps back in
Oh,
the day.
nice.
Yeah, so I had a lot of fun with that, especially doing like 2019, 2020, 2021. But I just wanted something a little bit more. Um, what's the word? Uh, like day to day, I guess, because the
Mm-hmm.
swing trades, like you take a month, 2 months to play out, and then when we saw when they started to tighten the rates back in like early 2022, the market kind of, it wouldn't be as trending. So, and on top of that, a lot of those small cap stocks got hammered. So that was
Yeah.
part of the reason too. So um,
That
yeah.
was like when I first started, because I remember I ended up buying the top on like NIO, XPEV.
Oh,
Dude, I bought the top on like so many different names. I remember trading SPCE and like Lucid, trading like I thought, oh my God, I found a cheap stock, like I'm gonna be rich. Yeah, okay, that's
yeah,
not
man.
how it works.
Not how it works.
Yeah, learned that
You wanted
very,
something a
very
little bit more
quickly.
sustainable, like long term,
Yeah.
Yeah, that's how I was too. Because like I made a lot of money at first, and then like I gave a good bit of it back. But then my thing was that's where usually people get out, right? They're like, "Oh man, like screw this. This is crazy. I can actually lose money." And it's like, yeah, no shit. But um, what got into me was like, okay, I made money this quick. I lost money this quick. Like it's out there, you know what I mean? I just gotta find a way to refine it a little bit more. So that's kind of like what got me into it, even more so than I was before.
It's funny how when people start out in trading, all they see is potential upside and they never think about how much they can lose. It's always like, dude, I can make X amount. And then before you know it, you never make that much and you end up losing way more than you thought.
Yeah.
It's funny.
Yeah.
Anyway,
People do
all
the same
right.
thing now with stop losses. Like they're like, oh wow, it's gonna go to those equal highs, not thinking they could just drop 50, 100 points. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Hmm.
It's an ugly 3 minute candle. I feel like today's price action has forced me to be on lower time frames.
Well, yeah. I mean, that's the only time I like to look at it is when you get moves like this because it's the only way to do it.
I couldn't tell you last time I took a trade off the 3 minute. Or, yeah, I mean, that's all I've been on today is three.
Uh-huh.
I haven't gone to the one, but yeah, this is crazy.
Yeah.
I'll just get you on a 200 volume NQ chart.
Bro, I don't even know what that means.
Ask Leo.
Yeah, I don't know if Leo has the patience to start explaining that to me.
You're not wrong.
Leo's gonna be like, bro, get out of here. Oh, God.
Buyers are ruthless right now.
This is good, though. I'm finally, I'm long. I'm not gonna fight it.
Let's go.
Just don't give up on me now, guys.
Yeah, I've taken a few stop outs trying to reoffer this thing.
Just, oh God. The
Now
moment
I
I get
wanted
long
to
in this, it's
pump.
going to completely just reverse.
Let me know when you do that so I can get up.
SpaceX IPO has drawn more than 250 billion in investors' demand. What could possibly go wrong? That was
Nick,
the
you
leader.
in the States?
Am I?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm in Texas.
Okay.
We got RS Brian B. Dog starting to pull away at number 1.
Nick, that's futures. I thought you were in like the UK. You have like a English accent. Has anyone told you that before?
No, I've gotten Australian before. I've
Yeah,
gotten
like something from overseas, like
yeah.
from across the pond.
So
You're
that's
not, it doesn't
crazy.
give country.
I'm actually from Arkansas, and then we moved to Oregon, and then we moved to Georgia. So I'm kind of all over the place, but yeah, not over across the pond. But that's I have heard it before.
Wait, what part of Arkansas are you from?
Pine Bluff.
Oh, I'm from Mountain Home.
Whoa. Okay. Dang. Yeah, I have so many. It's been a while since I've been back, but what you live in Missouri now, right?
Yep.
Okay. How long ago did you move away from there?
Oh, a long time ago. Like
yeah, same here.
2010.
Okay. Yeah, no, we moved in like 08, 09. So
Yeah.
I love the Northwest Arkansas. It's so nice up there.
Yeah. Bull Shoals Lake, all the stuff.
It's pretty
Yeah.
nice.
It's been so
Savannah goes, tell me you haven't been to the South without telling me you haven't been to the South. Okay, I've never been to the South, but that's not how I imagine people to sound like. You give me UK vibes. I don't know.
So outside of Miami, when was the last time you left the Northeast?
Oh, I went to Vegas 3 years ago.
That was the most recent trip before Miami?
Yeah. That was
Wow.
that was my last vacation period, dude.
You're probably, you're in the same camp as me.
That was I think it was 4-day trip. Me and my sister. I took us to go see Adele for her birthday.
Nice.
And then I went outside of the States after that, like a month after that. I went to Tunisia. My brother got married in North Africa, so that was cool. But that was it. Those are my last two trips before Miami.
Yeah, we went to last trip we had was North Carolina a couple weeks ago. Went to New York last month, and went to LA a couple months before that. Kind of. I've never been to LA before. I like that a lot. It was pretty cool. I feel like if you could take downtown New York City and put it in downtown LA, it'd be the best city in the world. I don't know, this is me. But chat, what y'all think? Maybe not best city in the world for some people. The food was like amazing. Salma, you agree?
What, New York City food?
Yeah, if you put New York City, downtown New York, like Manhattan, and you swap it with downtown LA, but you keep everything else about Beverly Hills, Malibu, everything like that.
Maybe, yeah. I didn't honestly when I went to Cali, I went to LA, I did not enjoy it too much. Like I thought I would have way more fun than I did. And maybe it's because of the people I went with, but
Okay.
I didn't
Where
think it was
did you
all
stay at?
that. Oh, I
Could
was
not
just
pay me to live in LA.
yeah, I
And
don't
that's
think I
coming
could
from
do
a
it
Southern
either.
California kid as it is.
Wait, you're
I
from
would much
Cali?
rather. Yeah, I'm from Orange County.
Oh shoot.
Yeah, I agree. I would go back to Orange County or I'd go to San Diego. LA is just not my scene. But I do prefer New York City for sure.
Yeah.
I don't like either. I hate the city.
But Tom, I think I told you, my little sister just moved back to Manhattan, so I'll be up there randomly.
Oh yes. You did say you might come there. Yeah. Nice.
So, see, we went with both times. I went with both the kids and the wife. So I was expecting it to be way more hectic than it was, but it wasn't that bad. I did spend like $1,500 on Ubers for like 6 days, though.
That's freaking bonkers. You're out of your mind.
Wow.
Yeah, that was
You're out of your mind, dude. Something called public
That's crazy.
transportation for $2-3 max.
yeah.
Come on,
I ain't doing that. Ugh.
bro. What?
I can't. We didn't take one subway. me and Ryan, we did one Subway to the game. We went to game 1 against Philly, Knicks Philly. That was the only time I took Subway. It's just my wife didn't want to take it. I didn't want to argue with her, so I was like, okay, Uber everywhere.
$1,500 worth of Uber. I think it might be worth an argument.
Oh no.
Yeah. Sheesh.
Come on. Just push it. Just go. All right. It looks like GC's doing a whole lot of nothing here. Tries and then nothing. Did you guys trade GC today or no?
No.
Very briefly.
Actually, no, I took
Really
one
worked, so
trade.
exited.
I think I took one trade on gold, but it was very short.
I traded gold a lot today. It definitely helped me out.
Yeah, I got a nice little liquidation, but then it kind of has been dead.
Yeah.
Also, it took forever because I was trying to short it off the previous day close break, and it like bounced back like immediately, and I was like, "F this."
There's one thing to know about me is I've got patience for days. I'll wait for something to work out.
I trade NQ, so obviously I don't have patience.
You know what? Touche. Fair enough.
Same. I can't trade the ES. I've tried trading the ES, and my patience level just runs out.
I did. I caught a good chunk of this down move in the cash count. Yes, mainly because I wanted it to be slower, Joey. Because I'm doing the other
I
six
feel
freaking products.
Yeah, for a day like today, I feel that.
I was just kind of casually like the structure just made more sense from Friday. I was like, I'm just gonna trade. Yes.
Yeah. No, that makes sense.
All right. Gold is starting to sell off a little bit here, and I'm not loving this 15-minute candle on ES and Q. Still 3 minutes to go though, but I got out of my longs. Don't want to get stopped out.
The Rusty could just go back to 0. I'd be happy.
I really screwed myself by taking another trade. Guys, all this volatility is because the Knicks lost last night.
Don't get me started.
Don't get me started, please.
Yeah,
Livid.
Nick's lost and everybody sold their positions.
Bro, it's
Yeah,
horrible.
that was
Rigged? Yeah.
yeah, I don't have any words for it, honestly. You know why? Like the tickets, we're looking to go to game 6, but the tickets,
Jeez.
what I've noticed, especially I have a friend who went last night, and he said it's different because you're not getting a lot of diehard Knicks fans in here because it's just so expensive. So he noticed it wasn't as crazy last night, compared to when they play the Hawks or when they play the Sixers. It's just not. I mean, getting the door prize is like $8K.
Oh
Yeah.
yeah. I saw Rake went to it last night. Wait, I don't know if you're figuring out for Rake trades, but I saw he was there.
Yeah, no, yeah, that funny, a funny wheel.
This thing
You
gonna
guys
sell
still
here?
long? Yeah, it looks like it wants to sell. It might get into some shorts here. Please don't make me regret it.
It's like we might try to roll a little bit. It's so hard to tell in this market today.
Yeah, I agree. I feel like every single trade that you take today is risky.
Oh, 100%.
This range is just insane.
Yeah. Looks like it might actually try to get heavy here.
I hope it does. Nick, what are you seeing on the tape? Tell us.
Well, I was watching Gold's tape, trying to find more leverage apparently in this competition. But yeah, NQ's rolling over. I'm seeing A lot of negative delta continuing to build below previous week low, and it's starting to break. So let's see if we flush back to the week open at 840s and change.
Damn, Sarah, Strat Sniper, she snuck her way up to top 3.
She did.
Sarah, if you're listening, good job. Really good job.
I also just saw, or I heard Tracy say it too. Anthropic just handed me a grenade, so I'm going to go play with that tonight. That's going to be fun.
Oh, by the way, that thing you shared with me, phenomenal.
Are you figuring it out, or
yeah, yep,
Okay.
Phenomenal.
You're welcome.
That was
about a month of work, so you're welcome.
I was gonna say, how did you even because at first I was asking Claude all these questions about it. I'm like, what is this? How do I go about using it? Like, what am I doing here, right? And then I'm thinking to myself, how the hell did Nick even
Salma, this is
this?
This is the stuff I used to do, right?
Wait, so you're a coder?
No, I know enough to be dangerous, but I could talk the talk without actually walking the walk in companies that I would talk to about this stuff. And then I had people much smarter than me actually doing the said coding and stuff.
Dude,
so
brilliant.
I know the terms. I said this before. It works really well if you're creative and have imagination, because you can kind of think out of the box. If you've never had the skills to implement it, it's like giving you the tools to actually, develop things yourself for the first time. If you are creative enough to have some unique ideas or know how to story tell a vision, if that makes sense.
Yeah, you're a genius. That's all I have to say about that.
Nope, definitely not that.
He's a humble genius. JMG is really upset that I said today was risky. Okay, I'm glad your day is going great. I don't know what to tell you. Your world is not the other's world. I know. I'm speaking for myself. It's crazy. All right, Gold, do your thing, Gold.
What are we doing here?
Yeah, this is a lot of back and forth.
Let's make a decision.
Very, very indecisive. It feels. I mean, I don't even know, bro. Just do your thing, Nasdaq.
I don't even know.
Just do you, boo. I mean, how do you read a market that has over 100-point ATR in a 5-minute time frame? How do you even read that? Crazy.
Yeah.
Is it for sale, Nick? Well, here's the thing. I have yet to turn on the Claude Brain to generate me any revenue whatsoever. So no, it's not for sale because I have nothing to actively sell you, because I haven't even found a way to make it profitable for myself just yet. All I've done is just release a ton of shit for free while vibe coding my way around life.
You're like the vibe code professional, bro. I swear it's like...
I just started learning, Joey, in December, and I think I just got a little ahead of the curve. I was saying, Salma, this weekend when her and I were talking, just this was what I was doing in January, I think, but nobody was really paying attention, and you were just learning and trying things and seeing what worked and what doesn't.
Yeah.
So I think I'm just a few months ahead.
It's time to release the vibe code course, huh?
Oh, God, no. I'm sure there's 14 charlatan snake oil salesmen who have already done that, and it's bad. I'm just waiting for the local models to catch up, to be honest. We're probably a year away from those being good enough to run on an average computer.
My laptop's overheating.
Yeah.
It's not good.
I don't know. Can my Mac Studio handle it? I don't know.
I have
I don't know, Joey. I got 5 computers.
I have
Bros,
Claude running
you're
on
over
my
there
Mac
mining
Mini.
crypto on those 5 computers, aren't you?
Well, currently there's only 2 or 3 running technically. My MacBook, my Tower PC, and the Mac Mini, which is probably doing nothing right now. I
So
don't
what
think I
you're
have any
telling me is if I
tasks.
ever need a sauna, I can just come sit in your office.
Dude, it's so hot. I realized, I said this to my wife. I was like, last summer, I wasn't in this room. And I think when I was towards the end of it, I was facing the other direction. Like I'm backed into a corner over here. So it's like just ton of heat. I need a fan is what I'm getting to. It's just, even with the AC on up here, I was hot in here in winter, which is crazy because the heat wasn't even on.
Yeah. No, I mean, that many PCs. Yeah, you're going to be cooking in there.
Yeah. Well, I bought a new laptop PC because I basically turned my Alienware into a headless, screenless monster that just does stuff without actually having to be open. And then I realized to do streams and stuff on the go, I need something a little more powerful. So got another one. I say that like I take a lot of vacations. We haven't even traveled with the baby yet.
My wife and I took the kids to Miramar Beach in Florida.
Mm.
And
That's still on the east side, right, Joey?
Yeah, it's in the Gulf, yeah. Gulf side.
Oh, okay.
It's near Destin. It's like literally they're like
Got it.
yeah,
Okay.
they're neighbors pretty much. Dude, talk about is a 12 and a half hour car ride with kids.
Oof.
Yeah. Brutal.
You have been better off. Well, Ubers.
Just Uber down there.
They
Put the kids in one Uber and we take the other.
Uber Black or something. Find something.
Wait, do Ubers come with like car seats and stuff? Is that a thing?
No.
No.
So you can't even Uber with like actual, toddlers and babies and stuff?
That's what the grandparents are for when you're traveling.
Yeah.
That's why so many of my friends and people like they travel with their in-laws or whatever so that they can go do normal things.
100%.
And then you fly with a car seat and rent a car.
Yep.
Dude, what is
That's the way.
this?
Take the grandparents.
Oh my goodness. What are we doing?
Yeah, they just fake everybody out.
Yeah, so in New York with the car seats, the first one I got was like a Uber XL car seat or something. I was like, man, screw this. I ain't paying for this. So I just did Uber XL. And then we just showed up. They pull up with see we had 2 kids. No one ever said anything. We just hopped in the back. So is it safe? No, probably not. But
Very New York thing.
Yeah, like I mean, but the max speed you're going is like 15 miles an hour. You know what I mean? Because everyone it's bumper to bumper the whole way. But it was, you just got to wing it sometimes. My 3-year-old, he looks like he's 8. He's huge. So,
Like tall?
yeah, he's pretty big. Like, you know how, when you have kids or whatever, like we go to a doctor, like, oh yeah, he's like super tall or this and that. They tell you some crazy stat, and you're like, he's in the 99th percentile.
Oh
Right?
yeah.
And then I'm like, okay, whatever. But then I didn't believe him until we went to the rec center to play basketball, to watch one of our friends play. And there was like this kid that walked over. He's like, hey, does he want to play with me? Talking about my son. I was like, yeah, sure, we go there and play with you. I was like, how old are you? And he was like, I'm 8. I'm like, what? And like my son was only like 2 or 3 inches behind him. I'm like, oh my gosh, okay, my kid's actually pretty big. So he's about to be, he'll be 4 in October, and he's 45 inches. So he's a big kid.
Wow.
Are you tall?
Yeah, I'm 6'5".
Oh shoot.
Yeah.
We just said that like it's normal. I mean, it's like
I don't know.
NBA.
Like,
It's like NBA height.
yeah, like a point guard. These guys in the league now are big.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, freaking Wimby out here.
Wimby
Yo,
is
he's so dirty. He's a dirty player. I don't
Yeah,
He
bro,
care.
he is. Yeah, he is. But bro, Wimby is like everyone's create a player in
Yes.
2K.
Yes. like a 7'3" demigod, bro.
Yeah.
He's what we thought Kristaps Porzingis was gonna be. But yeah, no, the refs were not helping last night either. They were
No.
selling like crazy.
Dude,
Spike Lee about threw a fit when Wemby threw Jalen to the ground. I'm like,
Dude, he shoved him from his head. Like, how's that not?
yeah.
Whatever. Let's not get into sports.
I mean, okay. I actually think for once, like sports would make me more mad than talking about the market today. You know, the market's actually been pretty good today in terms of volatility, but
This is such BS here.
Man, what is this level though? We are just chopping it.
yeah, we don't want to do anything, do we?
No, we don't. We are just chilling here. I could see this going up to
Oh my God, dude.
VWAP, but it's taking forever. Trying to stay above 29K.
Like, sellers just had the perfect setup to give us
They
a
did.
couple, a couple
Yeah.
points,
I
give us
agree.
some sort of retracement. Nope. Come on.
Hit you with the gnaw.
Yeah, it
This
was
is-
there.
Yeah.
The sellers had their moment to take over there and just completely gave it up.
I'll tell you what, NQ 5-minute chart, I hate to say it because like I would like lower. I'll have much more fun shorting the market, but this thing looks primed to go higher on the 5-minute chart.
Dude, this is ridiculous.
Yeah,
Like the structure of it, like
VWAP looks very much in play on NASDAQ from the 5-minute.
Dude, just long every
Yeah,
5-minute 9 EMA retest. Damn.
Hey Joey, you launch a course yet on IBs? They were all over the place about a month ago.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah.
Everyone.
Me snake oil people just like spawning out of nowhere, bro.
Yeah.
I was like, I could have swore you just traded ICT like 3 months ago.
Yeah.
Order flow or something.
Everyone jumped on the IB train. I do have one. I do have an IB course.
Today worked out pretty well, right? Was it the first hour you set, right? And then
I'll take trades on the IB even before it's set. Like I'll take IB like mid trades if we have a directional move off the open. But generally, like if I trade any failures on IB levels, it's usually after the IB is set and that's on like the IB high and IB low. Today was not really a great IB day. I mean, we just sunk the entire day, you know. So there really was no IB unless you traded like the breakout of IB low. But even then, it's like I usually if I trade a breakout, I want a retest of some sort, and it's just
you wouldn't get the retest to that. No.
Yeah, and so like today we just sunk through it and we just stayed sinking. So there really was no IB trade for me today.
Did anybody flip long?
No.
Yeah.
Oh, nice job, Scott.
I was long earlier, like when Jim was on here, just thinking the 5-minute chart looked pretty bullish right there, heading into 2 p.m. That new 4-hour candle. So basically, what I said about the sharp move down during like a bullish market, just they're fun, but they rarely ever happen. They're not very sustainable. I've noticed, but they're fun. Make a lot of money.
Yeah.
Do I start trading at 10:30 Eastern? No, I start trading at the market open, and I have other strategies that are not IB related that I pay attention to, but usually when I have a good IB day and there's some good setups, that's usually my main focus. And then after after 10:30 Eastern is when I really do, yes, focus on the IB. But I have other things I look at that aren't IB related.
Mm-hmm. Do you trade the afternoon? I know obviously you're here, but like, do you normally trade the afternoon? Or no.
Depends on the day. If I'm, if I'm feeling good with like where I'm at on the day, I usually know. Um, if I haven't traded really much in the morning, I might look for a setup in the afternoon to kind of see what we have. Also depends on PA if we're getting good PA in the afternoon or not. So it kind of just depends. If I'm green, or if I'm already up and green on the day, usually I'm not trading in the afternoon.
Yeah, that's how I trade too.
It's notorious for taking my money back.
Mm-hmm.
This thing just keeps creeping to VWAP here.
Yeah, it has. It's been riding that the whole way up.
Quite the move back here. I see it was from this low on NASDAQ. I mean, we retraced 862 points.
Let's see.
Right into power hour here. See how powerful it gets. See, so the IB works till the end of day, or does it have like a or a specific schedule where it's more effective?
Dude.
I would say like I mean, yeah, it could work throughout until the end of the day. Kind of just depends on price. I mean, you can consolidate, inside the IB range the entire day and then get to power hour and then go rip the IB high and then fail it and come back down and you'll get IB failure set up. So it can work at any point during the day after the IB is set. There is no I wouldn't say there isn't a specific time that's more effective. Just because and it's hard to say that any strategy, in my opinion, anyways, it's hard to say any strategy is more effective at a certain time of day. In my opinion, just because market context changes every day. Like there's always different volatility. There could be lower volatility in the morning and then get some random spikes in the afternoon. I just think it just changes, and you just kind of take what you get. At least that's my opinion. Who am I though?
You're Joey.
You're Joey, the dog.
I'm the retail trader.
You're Joey. Don't let nobody tell you otherwise.
Type shit.
Type shit. Nick, you and Sarah are oh wait, no, I'm looking at the wrong thing. Damn, yeah, Sarah's on you guys' tail. She's gonna take number one.
Yeah, she's
Go, Sarah. Go,
Came all the way
Sarah.
back.
Go. Huh?
she's come all the way back.
Yeah.
Nick, I think it was Nick, or maybe it was, I don't know who it was. Nick, were you down pretty heavy in the morning?
Yeah,
Was that
I got ran over by the Rustle to start the day.
Okay. Like down like 2K, right?
Yeah, somewhere around there.
Wow, that was crazy. That was a good comeback. Guess you got the move down then.
Yeah, I caught a good chunk of that. I mean, and then I flattened it. Well, apparently way too early. just gonna keep going.
Yeah, right to VWAP.
I got
Crazy.
some work to do. I could have just chilled in the afternoon, but no, I decided to take one more trade. It's because Nick Does Futures was ahead of me by like $300. So I'm like, this is doable. Nope.
That's how it always gets you.
Yeah, it's always I'll just take one more trade. Never
The
ends
one-
well.
Yeah, the one more trade.
Never ends well. This was definitely a good day though for the competition.
Yeah, you're telling me. Great day. Was it last week? It was kind of pretty good too. I
It was
remember.
only good for like the first 2 hours, and then it was just
Yeah.
sideways.
The whole way after that. Yeah.
Yep.
All right. Question is now, do we reject VWAP?
I mean, I feel like we passed 7 spots that made sense for us to potentially reject, and I've taken stop outs at all of them. So all because I got stopped out of the damn Russell long on the lows at 2,800, and I've just been slowly taking stop outs this whole retracement.
Guys, over under, do we close green or red
Yes.
on the day? Yes.
And which indice?
Yeah, which one?
Any whatever, ESNQ.
I mean, ES has what, another
Let me see, actually.
24 points?
Oh
I
shoot,
mean-
ES is only
24 points, yeah.
yeah. All right, let's do NQ.
No, NQ. I don't think NQ does
No.
it. I could say
Okay.
yes on ES.
I didn't realize we were only 27 points away.
Isn't that crazy though? Like it doesn't feel like it, you know? It just feels
No.
like, no.
Nope. All right, I might give up trading gold now. Gold in the afternoon is kind of blah.
The poll ended. 82% of people say Nick is going to take the crown.
Oh man, man, they're so smart, bro.
But we need to do another one with Sarah in the mix now because she's
Yeah, let me check it real quick. Oh yeah, hell yeah. I think she took my my comment earlier personal.
Wait, what comment?
I just said something about the vape on screen. It was just a joke. It wasn't actually.
Oh, well, now she has every reason to want to beat you.
Oh yeah, 100%. I think I threw shade at you last week too, so you took it personal or something. I
You
don't
threw
know.
shade at me.
I don't. I mean, I don't even remember what I was saying. It was trying to find some rage bait in there.
Oh, no.
For the chat, I think because the afternoon last week it was pretty choppy, so I was like, man, this is boring. You know what I mean?
So you decided to just rage bait your
Yeah,
fellow
yeah, I was-
streamer
yeah.
traders? Cool.
Yep. Uh-huh.
Oh my God. No, I got pretty thick skin, so I don't even remember what you said, honestly.
I don't either. It was just something.
My
I think I
friends
actually
on
reread
stream
something.
and my friends in trading and my friends in real life are the biggest trolls of me that exists. So I take no offense to anything anyone ever says at all times anymore.
No, this is how it is usually here.
Yeah.
All we do is make fun of each other.
Yeah. Whatever. Yeah, my fantasy football chat. If you can't hang in there, like, I mean, if you can get through that chat, you can get through anything. You know, that's what I tell people. Shorted. Oh, no. Oh, she's in here. Yeah. I said something about that vape or something. I don't even think you read it. It was mainly just
Sarah, you could win this by us just being idiots and finding ways to ruin our days ourselves. So it would not shock me. You might just be better off doing that.
That's how I knock myself down a couple.
I mean, I would be sitting at 6,400 if I wasn't a dumbass.
If you
Well,
just
you were
stop
seven,
trading,
bro.
yeah.
You were at 7,000, I think.
Yeah, I think that was my high watermark.
Oh, nah, bro. Not gonna lie, bro. We're cooked.
Bro.
That was my strategy too. I was telling myself like, okay, you can chill now. No need to take another trade. Yeah, that
But
didn't last
honestly,
too long.
I was trying to catch the top 10. Like I wasn't that far away, and I was like, let me just try to get a little more. Let me see if I can crack into 10K, and that was the mistake.
Let me see. What are we anyway? Oh, you're 14. You're still number 1. What did you just take? Shorts?
Well, I've shorted this bounce, unfortunately.
Oh my goodness.
Salma, you already said you were done.
Well, I said that like 3 hours ago. And now I can't be done because I knocked myself down.
I'm very curious to see like what the next hour looks like, though.
It might get a little weird.
Yeah.
Thought they would. Actually, you know what? Never mind. I'm not going to say anything before I jinx it. Just have to wait and see.
Send it to the ground.
Dude, I didn't even realize it's 3:12. Oh, come on. We need like 2 more hours. I need more hours in the day to trade.
No, we don't. No,
Oh.
no.
No, I do. I need to make the comeback.
Salma, no.
I award you no points, and may God have mercy on your soul.
You know why this happened? I know why. Because I posted about it. Had I not posted about it, this would have never happened.
Oh, I thought you were just gonna blame me.
Oh, it's probably your fault too somehow.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Probably.
Sarah is correct. She says the Knicks want it so bad. I was happier to stop trading for the day. Sarah's probably literally sitting on a beach chair somewhere right now in Florida, just relaxing and letting us just fumble all over ourselves, and possibly she could still win. So think to yourself, who's the real winner in that decision?
Point.
She says, I can tell you I'm very relaxed. Oh my God.
Wouldn't be an Arena Cup if Nick didn't max short into the bell and squeeze it out. That only happened one time, maybe twice.
3 times.
3 times max. It's not my fault I make poor decisions in the middle of the day and then have to rely on the market gods to send it one way or the other to win. All that matters at the end of the day is the scoreboard. How we got there is irrelevant. Yes, Phoenix, thank you. Thank you. I appreciate it. Yes, my fake winnings that usually mean more to me than my cash account, which is up very nicely on the day, if I'm being honest. And I could care less about, whatever, $5,000 in funny money that is irrelevant except for bragging rights against my friends. But it's not a true bragging rights against my friends because my 3 friends did not compete today. So I don't even get to talk smack to them all afternoon.
Are we not your friends?
You are, but you know me and the boys just do nothing but clap back at each other in these things.
You know, I can't believe they didn't trade this.
Well, Leo's banned because he doesn't know how to use technology. And I think XY was busy, and I don't know what happened to Stowe. Went out for cigarettes again.
Didn't come back in time.
He said he was going for milk and never came back.
Current top 4, who's coming in first? I'm gonna go ahead and I'm locking in my answer. Nick, I'm rooting for you.
Well, I appreciate that.
How do you know it's you?
That's fair too.
No, I'm joking. I am rooting for you though.
Cooper, it does not matter how many of these silly one-day competitions I win. It'll still always never let me be the favorite. Salma won she came out of nowhere and jumped on the stream like week 2 and decided to win the Arena Cup.
No, it's my first time ever.
Wait, that was your first show?
Yeah, it was the qualifier obviously, and then the final. So those were my first 2 appearances on Ninja.
Oh, okay. I thought you were like going for like a week before that. Maybe I'm crazy.
They might have brought me in on the qualifier, and then I started to be on like the schedule, and then the final the following week. But yeah, it was my first time streaming, first time trading in front of people, first time competing.
Salma comes down from the rafters with a steel chair and like hits everybody over the head. Her first competition against us.
I thought I was gonna do it again today. I thought I was gonna pull through, but
you made me a little nervous when I was prepping dinner. I was doing a crock pot thing. So I was like doing that after I worked out this morning, and I like saw you creeping up over like 3K, and I was like, uh-oh.
Yeah, she's gonna do it again.
I was like, she's gonna find a way to come out of nowhere again.
Honestly, I did try today. I really tried super hard, and then I blew it when I came back 2 hours ago. Should have just chilled. I wanted to play the whole, I can sit back, relax, let them overtrade, and let them knock themselves off the leaderboard, and then I ended up doing that to myself.
That's how I felt too. Yeah. But then I still traded for some reason.
Yeah, me too. Come on, come down, Russell, calm down. Yes,
Rusty
let's go.
needs to just die.
Come on.
Go back to 0.
Give me previous day low again, please.
I did send Claude a chart this morning for the Russell, and I'm like, I never look at this. What should I do? And he told me to full port short off the open, and that worked out very poorly.
Well, you can. At least AI isn't taking our jobs anytime soon.
I said make no mistakes, and he made a mistake. We both did.
This is a nasty
For the
drop,
record,
guys.
his trade was not full port short off the open. It was wait for a break of this, and I full port short off the Rusty immediately.
So really, it was your fault.
He put the idea in my head.
It's
There's just no confirmation of the break. That's the difference.
It's like when you tell a child, don't touch this, and all they want to do is touch something. Yep.
You've described a few of us on this network to a T right there.
Do you always tell Claude, make no mistakes?
No, it's just I just feed into the meme. I do crack the whip every once in a while, though.
He's
like, you're right. I didn't do that.
Listen, I was arguing with it when I was trying to make the 30-second OR indicator, and it was giving me such a hard time. And then I stopped the chat, I stopped talking to it about it for like a day or two, came back. All of a sudden, Claude is doing exactly what I wanted it to do 2 days ago.
Didn't I tell you?
Why does it do that?
There is idiot Claude and there's normal Claude.
Yeah.
And then there's Claude that was in early February, and he's nowhere to be found because that was the equivalent of giving me an AK-47 in a lot of time. If you use Claude during 9 to 5, you're going to encounter idiot Claude more often than smart Claude.
Oh, well, I encounter idiot Claude all the time. All the freaking time. Can we drop just a little bit more, please?
Jeff, what it means.
Oh, did we just lose Nick?
Uh-oh.
Yep, he's gone.
And he's gone.
Oh, and he's back.
You're back?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think internet paused for a second. But the difference is every Fortune 500 company is using all of the compute, so Claude gets dumbed down.
Oh, is that what that is?
It's in that family.
You said between what times?
Like probably the hours of
9 to 5.
10 a.m. Eastern to probably
PM.
about 5 p.m.
Okay.
It's
Makes
like
sense.
it'd just be peak usage, so a lot of compute just gets spread thin.
Makes sense.
So the model obviously like degrades in some capacity to not die, not go down. I'm gonna try something here.
This is teasing my TP. Just do it. I feel if we get this TP, we'll just knife even more.
Well, most definitely rejected VWAP. And I missed that.
And Q bouncing off the week open so far.
And Q, please drop to previous week low.
We got what, 40-ish minutes?
I don't know, we just chop
By
here.
the way, there's 850 people in here and there's 150-ish likes.
Oh, buddy.
That is absolutely insane. If I screenshotted that and sent it to Claude and said, Claude, make sure everybody likes the stream, make no mistakes, you still wouldn't like it. So please do us a favor, smashing the thumbs up button.
Yeah, chat, we got to do better.
I have literally traded all day. So that's how much I care about this competition, folks. And we appreciate you all hanging out with us this entire day.
Yeah, today was fun.
Salma, I think if we lose 840s, though, you might get your wish.
I know. I'm trying to. This is the thing. If we if we get past 53 on the Russell, I think we start to really accelerate this move. Look at the hourly, guys. Look at the hourly candle. What are we thinking? What is the hourly telling us?
I have no edge on this. Because this is the type of move I thought we were going to get reflexive bounce-wise on Friday, and it just never came.
You talking about yesterday? No. You're talking about
Friday.
Gotcha.
I thought we were going to get we had almost a half-back retracement. I mean, maybe it is a little more than that or a little less on some of the indices, but I kept waiting for this move, which is why I got shaken out, I think, of my runners around the same spot. I think I got out, not here, sorry, closer to 29,000 at one point. I took another short that I covered at 29.6 from the 300s, 30,000s. So I just kept fearing that the violent V-shaped bounce was eventually going to show up on Friday.
Maybe if I don't look, it'll start to move.
At that point, you just got to throw on the position and just walk away from the computer.
Send it.
Yeah.
That's weirdly why I play options better sometimes, Joey. Because I know it's not defined risk, but it's kind of defined risk because it's just a little different. There's certain times where I'm comfortable with the contracts going to zero. So it's a little bit more defined. And sometimes I tend to let those holds work out a lot more for larger moves.
Be interesting to see if we drop here.
DJ Trades goes, if I change my name to Nick, will I be as good as you guys? Or even Sarah? There's only one way to find out.
What happened on the Tradeify thing too? I believe there was like 3 Nicks on there. Or
Oh yeah,
something.
didn't Potato Nick? Didn't he do pretty well? I kept
Oh
seeing
yeah,
random
the
things.
Spud. He made it to the Final Four.
Good for him. That's tough. Like that wasn't the way the Tradeify did that. That was interesting. The kind of the March Madness style. I kind of like that. That's a cool. That was a good idea.
Yeah, it was a dope setup for sure.
I was very confused why there were so many, whatever they called you guys, Joey, like outlaws.
Yeah, outlaws.
And then I saw like, okay, if you beat one, you get a check, and I was like, okay, that's kind of fun too. They did a good job. That was cool.
I had a bounty on my head.
Oh, you had a bounty too?
Yeah, I was one of the outlaws.
Now we're just going to stall at the week open.
Yeah, looks like it. I want to see
I
this thing
covered
knife.
that first Rusty short at 2840s earlier today.
I really wish it was micros.
Is it? I don't even know what the micro symbol is for Rusty. Isn't it like? Yeah, but why is it that? That's why I can't even trade it, Salma. They don't even make it make sense for me in my head.
You gotta ask Jim about that. I'm not too sure, honestly.
I'm gonna ask Jim. Why is the Rusty the way it is? Why can't we just call it MRTY? Why isn't it MRTY? Someone explain that one to me. That would just make it so much simpler in my head.
Have you ever?
Everyone else is like that. It's just got to be different. Okay, M2K Micro 2000. Okay, fair enough. You kind of are ruining my bit here.
Have you guys ever been in like a competition or been on stream in like band position? I'm sure you have, but
what are you asking us here?
Yeah, Trump tweets. Like, have you been in like any crazy stories from that?
I mean,
I was
crazy news or something.
Salma, you were on with me. It was you, me, and Chris. That one trade the close, right? I entered. I think Chris was long too, at like the perfect time, like right as we were coming on stream, and Trump said something, and it ripped like 250 points in NQ like within 30 seconds.
Yeah, sounds about right.
Yeah, that was my cash account. That was a fun afternoon that I didn't think I was actually going to keep trading. But I've also been on the wrong side of that.
Yeah, all the time.
It's like a 1 to 10 ratio. Every time I'm on like the right side, there's like 9 to 10 other times when I was on the wrong side. I feel like it never works out for me.
Dude, like 2 weeks ago, I was trading the open with Tanja, and I was long the Russell, get stopped out literally by like 2 points. And then, we're just lingering at the lows. Tanja goes long, and I'm like, damn, it's so boring. As soon as I said that, like, I kid you not, something must have come out, and we just ripped. And yeah, it was like an FU to me from the market makers. So that's my story of that I can recently remember. And then she turned it into a video. I'm like, oh, great. Turning me into a meme.
Well, couldn't quite give up those 840s and 850s.
Don't count it out just yet.
I'm not. Yeah, we still could. Just seeing a little bounce there. I feel like if we do give it up, it is actually gonna knife.
Just so annoying. Just go, dude.
It's still going.
I don't like this 5-minute candle here at 320.
Yeah, it's 5 minutes. Just ripping.
That's great. All right, I'm out of my positions. I'll wait for another setup.
Ooh, I kind of wanted to get in there at 960s.
For what, shorts again?
Yeah, kind of reoffering up there at the previous week low. But I don't know. I don't know if I want to trade anymore. Not right now, at least. I've been chopped up so much in this area for the last like hour plus.
Yeah, I kind of want to try this again. Don't make me regret it, please. I like it if 63 rejects on the Russell. If we get above, then this is absolutely cooked. They can just rip it from here now that we're in the last half hour of the day. All right, I'm out of this. Never mind then.
Can you imagine all the prop accounts?
Oh my
trading
God.
today?
I'm sure between Friday and today they've had a good time.
Oh man. Brutal.
And are they gonna do it? Dude, my laptop is literally making so much noise.
That's what happens when you go Claude maxing, by the way.
Bro, I have my everything on Claude for my Mac Mini. I don't know why my laptop is bugging out.
Wait till you start having Claude communicate with your laptop and Mac Mini.
You need
at
to
the same
stop.
time.
You need to be stopped.
You can't stop me. I'm too powerful now.
You're the reason why we're not gonna have any water in a couple years.
It's not my fault. I'm already screwed. A bunch of them are here in Texas. So the power grid's gonna fail here eventually.
So funny. All right, this is my last attempt on the day here. So ES needs 50 points to go green on the day. What do we think?
You said this? Yeah, I don't think that's gonna happen.
It's a lot.
When it was up there 94 or 88, I was like, it could happen, but
You say it's a lot until we get like an end of the day ripper because I mean sellers tried and we got nothing. Right? This is every single time we have a great setup, sellers have done nothing with it after we've began to pump right off those lows.
they did what we did. They quit while they were ahead. Well, we didn't do. So you caught a nice move down, right?
Wait, what?
You caught a good move down, right?
Earlier? Yeah, I did. Salma, I want to hear more about you trading micros. I thought I was the mini outcast. String bean, that's all I ever trade on screen. You guys always see me trading micros only. And that is just how I trade regularly anyway.
Can make a lot of money with micros.
Yeah, I mean, for me personally, I get like I don't know if it's a psychology thing or what, but like I'm just not comfortable trading minis. I'd rather be in 10 micros than one mini.
100%.
Especially like guys, you got to also remember like I'm on props, so I'm not really I don't care about commissions right now. Obviously, if I was trading my own account, then different story, but I don't really take into account the commission fees. And I'd rather scale in and scale out of a position than to just be in one and kind of just have to decide. What is canned air?
What?
Someone said dust your laptop fan vent with canned air.
Like air duster.
Like an air compressor
Yeah, I don't know.
can. So it's like a CO2 can that'll help you dust your computer.
Oh,
Just
I
be
didn't even know
careful
that
on certain
existed.
parts of it.
You probably seen them before, but you're probably like,
Yeah.
what is this?
Maybe.
You can buy a like a USB version of a battery powered one on
Yeah.
Amazon. That's what I have for my PC. You can just open the glass and clean it every once in a while. Has like a vacuum one side and air blower on the other.
Sorry, I'm distracted. I bet there's so much dust in her laptop from that response, dude. I would never know. I don't know. I have no idea.
Can't say this. If this is how the market's going to move this week, I am happy I'm going to Vegas.
Yeah.
Wait, when
Well-
do you leave again?
Thursday.
Oh, nice. You guys have fun.
I have not been to Vegas in years. I would love to.
Going from one crazy environment to the other.
Yeah, pretty much. From one casino to the other.
Yeah, pretty much. Yeah. Whatever.
You doing bougie Vegas, Joey, or are you gambling and shows and
No, I don't really gamble at casinos, to be honest. We're going to the Aria. It's like a adult hotel, and they have like a pretty sick rooftop pool and big TV and bar up there. And so we'll probably hang out there and go eat at some restaurants. And I think we're gonna go drive some ATVs, do some off-roading in the desert
nice
as well, and do some
I
cool
just
stuff while we're out there.
every person has a different Vegas. That's why I always like to ask that question.
Yeah. Ours is
there's-
like more.
there's
Ours is more
spa,
so.
Bougie Vegas, there's foodie Vegas, there's relaxing Vegas, there's golf Vegas.
I'm the golf
Depends on what
Vegas
you're
guy.
into.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're just gonna go out there just to try to experience some new things. The last time we went out there, the sphere wasn't done yet, so we're gonna go check that out while we're there. And then my wife, she wants to see Old Vegas too.
Yeah, I've not been since after college, man. I went when I still lived in California. It's it's a 45-minute flight, so and they're cheap. So that's easy.
Fremont's great. Yeah, Fremont's pretty cool. I'm excited to see it again. I think I'm more excited to go off-roading on ATVs. That sounds like a lot of fun.
Yeah, I'm going to Dubai later this year. I'm excited to do that.
Yeah, that'll be sick.
The one thing I do hate about these competitions is there comes a point, and I guess it's because I've been competitive in a few of these, but eventually you got to play your competition versus playing the market.
Yeah.
Yeah.
You do. Yeah,
Like
sometimes you have to
Salma and I deciding to go long and short last Arena Cup into the bell. One was long, one was short, and that basically decided the MOC algo basically decided who won. We let it. The market gods got to make a choice. down
Dude,
a
I
lot.
was praying. I remember like being so nervous because we were just a couple
We were
bucks
within
away from
like
each other.
$100 of each other into that.
That was pretty crazy. All right, I guess market wants to sell off.
Yep.
All right, we're gonna knife
fun.
this.
Screw this, bro.
Knife it.
Oh man. All right, that trade just killed me. I've just been giving away profits here.
Think we'll get something crazy these last 20 minutes?
Are we about to see a sell, like a big sell into the close? This looks heavy.
It's a little spicy.
Yeah, it is.
Sell or squeeze back up.
I don't know. This is
I'm gonna try
Those are
and
pretty
go.
heavy to the downside.
Listen, we got 20 minutes left. This either makes or breaks me on the leaderboard, and I'm willing to take that risk. So,
Carmine must be full port short right now.
bro,
He's come out of nowhere.
he might. I mean, I don't know if he's still actively trading this.
He was down $2,000 like recently.
Oh, so was Jack though. Jack was like negative 3K.
Found a way. Oh yeah, look at Jack. Jack's back up $2,000. It ain't over. Weird things can happen.
Yeah, I agree.
Especially with all these different products.
Dude, I'm gonna even trade the NQ. Screw it. Actually, do I want to do that, guys? I guess it can be worse than being long 1 mini on the Russell.
Well, those 850s keep trying to hold again.
All right, I'm just gonna leave these trades on. Wide stops on everything. And let it be. What are you guys in?
I'm not.
My laptop's starting to glitch on me. This is not good. Guys, if you lose me, I'll try and be back.
Wow, what a bid off those 850s again.
Yeah, seriously. Week open, man.
Everyone's like full port. Guys, full porting is like just 3 micros in the ES, one micro in the NQ, and then just one Russell mini. It's not really full port. I mean, I guess it
porting
is.
into this is like insanity right now because you could easily just get ran over. You have 2 choices: pick a direction with no stop, or get chopped up because that's basically all. Or you have to have an absolute sniper of an entry.
Yeah,
that's how this has been
Nick,
trading.
If I were you, I would not do anything because you're just ahead by
there's
a lot.
No need to yet. I'm just watching. There's nothing I need to do just yet. I've made the mistake. I've officially given back $1,300 from my high watermark. So,
Dude, I gave back like $3,000. Not my proudest moment. This is what happens though when you like do the whole screenshot thing and post it on social media, blah blah blah.
Yeah.
how many times I've had the lead in
I'm
this
done
competition,
doing
taken a
that.
screenshot, and then had people come out of the woodwork and just start chirping at me.
Oh yeah, people are just waiting for any of us to do one thing wrong so they can be like, "Ha! I told you so."
Yeah,
it's like, all right, screw you, dude.
You can't win on the internet.
No, you can't.
There is no winning that battle.
Oh man. All right, guys, I'll be back. I think I need to do a restart of my laptop.
Bye.
See you in a jiffy.
We'll miss you.
Yeah, don't miss me too much. Be right back.
Can't believe we bid off those 850s like that again. That looked heavy, like we were fixing to sink straight through it.
I mean, where it stopped makes sense. How many times do we have to yell about the weekly open on Sunday nights of being probably the most simple pivot you can have for the week?
Trading back into it.
We keep, on NQ, we keep just rotating them off of it right now. I never started looking at it till a good, like 2 years ago. And then suddenly I put it on a chart and I was like, oh, wow, it really does kind of work. That opening print.
You're referring to the Sunday open?
Yeah. Opening print, Sunday open.
Yeah.
5 p.m. Central Time.
Yeah.
Nick doing nothing, stealing Sarah's strategy. Honestly, I feel good about it right now.
Sometimes like doing nothing's the best. It's like just let other people cook themselves,
We'll see what happens here in the next 15 minutes. But if I had just done nothing after I finished cooking, like prepping my dinner for tonight, I would feel even better because I'd be sitting at $7,000 and not be kind of sweating that Nick, Sarah, someone's gonna come out of nowhere with the MOC here and I'm gonna have to trade again.
Let him cook.
Weekly open is my super MGI also. Yeah. It's a good level. Monthly open too. I want to figure out a way. I don't know how to do. I tried to Claude Max figuring out the quarterly opens with rollover and stuff, but then I just couldn't quite figure that out cleanly. And then we got into a very large argument about the yearly open because of people that back test and don't do, not back test, back adjust and not back adjusting. And that was just a rabbit hole with Claude that'll never get back. So, yeah. Go long. I'm not going long. Not here. Not at 890s. What happened to my
I
music?
think that's equal lows down there. Could get tagged from my earlier this hour.
ES looks, I mean, not as bullish even as NQ continuing to bounce off this 850s. ES looks like it wants to keep going lower.
NASDAQ retrying these 850s.
At least to like, yeah, I don't know how many times we're going to knock before it pushes us back to 7 somethings. Probably 700s. I don't know. Oh, is she back?
Is she?
Let's see.
Oh,
Sure am.
There she is.
Was that quick or did that take forever?
That wasn't bad.
All right, good.
what kind of laptop do you have?
A MacBook.
Yeah, but like which MacBook? Which
A MacBook Pro.
Which
M3?
chip are you running? M3. Which M3? There's multiple M3s.
Oh my God. Okay, let me see about this Mac. Let me see. I don't know, 18 gig.
That's not your chip.
I got
Is it? Is the M3 Pro Max M3?
Oh, I'm sorry. Yeah. The Pro.
Okay.
The Pro. Well, I don't
how
know.
That's how you
stuff.
flex in today's game. You gotta flex what GPU you have.
Bro, I wouldn't even know what any of that stuff meant, so it doesn't even matter. Just it works. Wasn't long enough.
That
wow,
stuff is worth like it's
Timothy.
pricing gold these days. So you gotta flex it.
Timothy, that's messed up. Wasn't long enough. That was crazy.
That's not very nice.
Attention traders, it's algo time.
It's algo time. Let's go pump us. Oh, this could be really bad or really good, guys. Oh my God, let's go.
There's a nice little
Let's go.
ripper.
That was.
Come on, give me a new swing high.
That was pretty
Take
good
out
timing
these-
on the voiceover.
Yeah, right. Once again, right off that 850s and into the algo. So
Do you doubt mission control? Nick does futures. Do you not know they do this for a living?
I'm finding out slowly but surely.
Yeah.
Wait.
Hang
What?
around here long enough, you'll know.
what happened?
He said that was really good timing with the
Oh.
MOC.
Yes.
We only do this every single day.
We have a professional production team behind the scenes pressing all sorts of buttons and sound clips that you never know when they're going to grab your voice at any moment in time and play it back for you for all the world to hear.
Literally.
Yeah.
Like Joey claiming everybody's making money. And we all know what happened there.
I got a full EDM song.
That was, whose idea
Everybody
was that?
making money.
Thank you.
Money.
I was
money.
like, where is it? Production.
Everybody making money. Everybody making money. Everybody making money. Money. Money.
Let's go.
Quit playing games, interest. Quit playing games, interest. Quit playing games, interest. Drop.
Hey, let's go.
Now, isn't that worth all of the poisoning of water
It's my money.
right there? Isn't the song worth that?
For the loans in all the right places.
Everybody making money, money, money.
Bro, when was I in that remix? I've never heard this one before.
That remix was actually pretty lit. Not gonna lie.
That was the full song.
That
Bro,
goes hard.
please,
Wow.
guys. Let's
The-
play it again so
the
we can keep
drops?
pumping.
The drop you had. Oh yeah, that was.
You
that
guys
was-
think I'm AI maxing productions on a different level too?
Bro, mission control is so funny. You
Oh.
never know what they're up
See,
to either.
This is why Anthony is like the ultimate professional, because like apparently none of that, no AI was used. He just is that good of a mixer behind the scenes.
Wow, that's pretty good.
Tecnologia! Tecnologia!
That's funny. We got Tracy and Shab both laughing at that.
It's so good.
I can't wait for end of the year clip. Please, Bulls, do not pull back. Just show up and do
Show
your
out.
thing. Yeah, show up and show out. Yes. Go. Like we had a really good reaction off algo time, and
It's probably
now
going
we're
to get
kind of
reoffered again.
slowing down.
Just going to keep bouncing between last week's low and week open because why not?
Okay, Carmine's short because his P&L keeps going down every time we push up. Let's see what's Jack up to.
Yeah, the battle for second and third. Well, no, Carmine fell off a little bit.
And if we push here,
I still will laugh if I am forced to trade and somehow Sarah finds a way into second or first.
why are you ruling out Nick does futures?
No, I'm saying like because Nick will force me to start trading again. And if he does, if we both somehow find a way to collapse below Sarah, that would be just like the chef's kiss on this day.
Nick does futures. You know what that means? Yeah, start applying pressure. There's only 6 minutes left.
I think I'm packing them up. Honestly, I'm so hungry.
I feel you.
You were
I didn't eat
hungry.
lunch today.
I'm getting to a point where it's just like I just want the simple things now in life. You know what I mean? Like,
Just wants food.
I just want to.
I'm ready to go hang
Oh,
out
Merritt.
with my kid and eat some food.
Yeah. Well, what part of Texas you on?
I'm in Dallas.
Austin, I'm guessing, with all the Claude people. But it's like that's kind of becoming like a tech hub.
What, Dallas?
Austin, yeah.
Oh, wait, Austin's more tech hub. Dallas is becoming the financial hub.
Yeah, I noticed that.
You have the Texas Stock Exchange and all the banks are moving here, building HQs.
Watching Landman?
Yep.
Yeah,
Big
pretty good
fan.
show, huh?
It's my
I like the
one of my
first season better
favorite
than the second.
trash shows. Love it.
Yeah.
Wait,
like the
this
first-
thing goes to 5, right?
I don't know. I don't know if I want to watch this until 5, Salma.
I wouldn't mind.
Salma,
this
go
went to 5.
outside, touch some grass, cue the
No.
soundbite.
No. This is looking decent right now. YM is about to take out that recent high it just
We
put in.
can't trade the YM.
Well, I'm just saying if it's leading, then everything else will start to push. Come on, we got 4 minutes left here. Do something. Freaking turkeys.
So would say the rotation out of tech and into toilet paper.
Yes. Merritt, he hasn't won yet. Stop giving out congratulations.
I mean, Merritt, Nick is within $1,000 and anything could happen here in 5 minutes.
Yes, I agree.
I almost handed this back and made it. I mean, I made it interesting. I could just be sitting pretty at $7,000 with my feet up.
Merritt is broken. He sent like the same message 3 times. He's like, Nick, I just want to say congrats.
It's a bot.
You need to start trading crypto prop. You'll love it. No, absolutely not.
No.
I know nothing about crypto and I'm good.
I'm good with micro Bitcoin at this point if I really want to trade it. I don't need a crypto prop. I don't know if that's too much for me. I just don't watch it enough. Micro Bitcoin is good enough for me.
I don't think I've ever traded that.
I'm not even trading props right now. So God only knows I suddenly dabble into the crypto one. I'm going to have a bad time on products I don't look at every day.
Dude, I love how Farm took 1 trade, exited, and he just negative $11 on the day. He didn't even try.
Hey, guys.
Hey, Jim.
Timothy.
Great job. By the way, Salma, no, Farm was down like 4 figures for a while, so he fought his way
Wait, what?
back. Farm was down 4 figures for a while. He fought his way back.
I didn't know that.
Yeah. But you guys did a great job today, for sure. Let's give these guys a round of applause, man, for doing it.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to keep holding. This is going till 5 p.m. for me.
So Salma's going to keep going. Sounds like Nick does futures is hungry. He's going to go to the kitchen.
Yeah, I'm pretty. I have a contract on here, but I'll probably end it and just go get some food. I'm just kind of beat right now. It was so much fun though. It was a great day to have a competition. I'll tell you that.
It was.
Yeah,
I
it
agree.
was. Yeah.
We've had
honestly,
a lot of worse days for some of these, four-way competitions and other ones like
I
worse
was a
trading
little worried
environments.
the day before CPI. I was like, oh, could be choppy, but no.
I feel like last Arena Cup was spicy too, Salma.
Yeah, it was.
Like there was a lot of movement.
I remember that day, gold was like on a really, really crazy move. This is back in November when gold was on shenanigans. And I remember holding 1 micro gold for like 60 points, which obviously that was like the start of when gold was moving and it was so unheard of and it was this big thing. It's a good day. I remember that. Come on.
I know we're driving up to put support on the ES. It's 7,400 right now.
I'm literally not asking for too much. I need just 10 more points from this recent high. 4 more points from the Russell. Come on. Just want to get top 3.
Joey's tired too. He's propping his head up with his hand right now.
I'm like Nick, dude. I got a pizza delivery coming to the house for me and the kids. For me and the kids right now, bro, because I'm hungry.
Yep.
Here we go. We're getting close to 7,400. Is it gonna happen?
I got a drywall guy that just got here. So yeah, I'm not looking to keep trading this.
Oh, thank God I don't have any of those kind of responsibilities.
Welcome to being
Boom.
an adult.
There you go. 93. Wonderful.
Owning a
Wonderful.
home.
Come on, Rip.
Tom, are you
Let's,
long like full port right now?
Who, me?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
Selma's not done. She's going to be going
Dude,
still.
I'm
She's
even
gonna
in
take
the
an hour off
NQ.
tonight and go and do the Globex Open, and she's going to keep going. She's not stopping.
Mission control, just show me how to set this thing up. I'll be back at 6.
Let's take a look at the leaderboard right now at the end of RTH and see what we got cooking here. Oh, do I have the wrong screen? Am I showing the wrong screen, guys? Nope. Hang on. I might be. Bear with me for a second, everybody.
All right, we're bearing.
Totally my fault. Jim, share your screen. Sorry about that. Mission control's like, we've been doing this for a long time, dude. Hurry up. All right, we got that. Did I do it right, folks? There we go. All right, 100. Who the $100,000 is going to go to? I don't know. We have RS Brian B Dog. The big dog is up about $900 so far. 11,958 over Pitapan in second place. We got Quidor, who's been actually on the top 5 a lot of the day today at 10,700. Leonardo, did I say that one right? Is just at that $10,000 level in 4th place, and Dante PS is in 5th place. So we still have some competition. My guess is for 100,000, these 5 are going to keep going for the next hour. I'm just saying. Featured traders. We did have Nick and Nick were neck and neck. Nick4ATick so far 57.85, and Nick does futures with an outstanding 47.64. Congratulations, you two. Great job. Sarah came in 3rd so far, and Salma is doing wonderfully well at 2,600. Carmine, Jack Gleason. Jack made a big comeback, by the way. Merritt, Christian, and T-Trades round out the group. So, again, great job, you guys. Appreciate you for doing this, for sure. It was a great, great day. Tomorrow's going to be another great day. Don't forget, we do have CPI coming out tomorrow, along with crude inventories in a $39 billion 10-year note auction. Special guest, Richard Rosenthal, Director of Business Development of the CBOE, along with Catherine Yoshimoto, again, Director of Product Management for FTSE Russell. They'll be with Deli early in the morning. After that, Farm for Tape Talk. Kane and Leo are going to be talking everything prop, and then Kane and Leo are going to trade the open, joined by XYZ, Nick4ATick, Stowe, and then in the afternoon, Selma, Jack, and Joey joining us to trade the close. So a wonderful day tomorrow. Looking forward to that. Appreciate you guys. You guys did a great job. I'll say it one last time. Thank you, everybody that's participating in NinjaTrader Live. Thank you for the subscriptions, the thumbs up. Most important message of the day, please be safe out there, be good to each other, and we will see you soon.
Ciao.
Cheers, guys.
Stay chat.